Hello everyone and welcome back to another Shein haul. Today I have a variety of things to share with you. There are some home items. There is nail art. First I want to talk about, I bought a bread box. They have these in a variety of different styles and prices and different sellers. And originally it was going to be like $23, but they had a coupon, dropped it down to $16. And this thing is massive. I cannot believe how big this is. Door to it actually has like a piece of glass so you can like see what's you put in the bread box. It fits the large style burrito tortillas, a whole entire loaf of bread, and then some. I'm incredibly pleased with the bread box. I wanted a wood one like this, so when I saw it on Shein I knew I had to have it, especially for that price. Easy to assemble, and it seems like it has sturdy bamboo wood. And then along with the bread box, I really have been wanting to redo my kitchen decor. Right now it's all like Pioneer Woman, it's all floral, which is fine. I love that stuff still, but for years I've been really wanting sunflower decor in the kitchen. That's my favorite flower, and I really wanted to just finally do that. The walls of my kitchen are pale yellow, like it's perfect for it already. And I got this curtain. That's the print on it. It has a white background. Has a white background with these sunflowers on it. Lots of greenery as well. I love it. It's so pretty. So I picked up these curtains, and then I got a couple other sunflower themed things to go with that. Later on, I will maybe, if any of you have experience with Shein rugs, please let me know in the comments below, because I thought about ordering sunflower rugs, but I'm unsure about the quality and there's mixed reviews. So let me know in the comments below. To go with the whole sunflower thing, a little decorative pieces, I got this 2-pack of dish towels. And I love the sunflowers with the Highland cows. They're so adorable. And these are actually really thick. They come in you can buy them singular or in 2-packs, or like the whole set of like 4. They just got the, I got a 2-pack. And if you're wondering why I have like 2 different sets of nails on in this video, is because this order was split into 2, and this portion of it took longer to get here. So by the time I got to film it, I have new nails. Yeah, neither here nor there. But yes, the Highland cows with the sunflowers, this nice little black border. Now I didn't get these to really use in the kitchen. I just got these for decor, to like hang on the stove. They're that like thick micro fiber towel material, and that's that design. And then the other design that came with this pack is the cutest Highland cow with sunflowers as well. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. They're absolutely so pretty, and the quality is really nice. I'm really surprised. The last sunflower item that I got for the kitchen, this is kind of like a sun catcher decor piece. I already put its string on there, but how cute is that Highland cow with the sunflower in a basket? I don't know if I'm going to hang this at the window or if I'm going to hang this off of a cabinet. This is really thick. But how cute is he? He's so adorable. It's so cute. I love it so very much. You could get these in different sizes. This was one of the smaller sizes because I didn't know how much I'd like it, but I love it. I should have got the bigger size. Now on to the nail art. If you don't watch Linry and you like nail art and nail polish, go subscribe. Seriously, you'll love her. Anyways, I watched her video. She did a whole live stream on like glitter placement. It was the coolest glitter placement nail art I'd ever seen. I had to grab some stuff to recreate it. And this is very similar to what she used in her video. So I got it for the little squares. Could also be achieved with these little diamonds, the effect that she had. There's triangles, so there's squares, triangles, rectangles, okay. There are squares, diamonds, triangles, rectangles, circles, and open circles, so without the center in them. Circle rings, I guess. That would make for, if they were gold, that would make for a really cool Sonic manicure, wouldn't it? But anyways, they're holographic, silver holographic. And I can't wait to try that glitter placement nail art out. It was so cool. Yes, I probably just dated myself just then, but that's okay. I never try to hide my age on my channel. I was born in 87. And then I saw these and thought this. I've been gathering a few things for a patriotic manicures. I had to have these stars. The price on this nail art stuff is always amazing. You get 3 compartments of silver, 3 compartments of gold, 3 of the blue, and 3 red. All different sizes. So small, medium, and large on the stars, which is really awesome. Comes in this really nice container. You get a lot in here, especially for the price. It's stunning. Very eye-catching in the light. Ooh, they are so beautiful. So I figured some glitter placement nail art for the 4th of July. So, picked up those. And then I got some nail stamping plates. I want you to look at this really cool packaging that they came in. They're from this brand here. Fun Nail Art also. And it comes in this envelope style packaging. Like, I just got a Hogwarts letter, but it's a nail stamping plate. No. And these are the most expensive stamping plates they have on the website. But they're really, really cool. So, we'll get into what they have on them. Well, these are super unique plates to my collection. They come in this like a binder style backing. So you can like put them in a binder. I'm not going to do that. I am going to leave it on there. It is really strong and sturdy. And this does have a clear film on it, but you're still going to be able to see. This is a Mario plate. I love Mario. Love Mario. So there's tons of images on here. I really like the faces. The Mario, Luigi. There's even some of the enemies on there, like Boo. There's a big old Yoshi head. Super Mario logo. There is a ton of stuff on here. Look at the coins. A little bit of a level background there. Flower power. Oh, a piranha plant. I love that. Mario Kart. Yeah, there's a ton of different images on here. Then I got a Harry Potter plate. Oh my god, another love Harry Potter. Same deal. You get the binder style backing, and then there's awesome Harry Potter images on here. There's even one of Bellatrix, which I thought was really cool. There's a bunch of Snape images. There's even Umbridge. There's a lot of cool little scenes you can do. 9 3/4 platform. There's a Dobby image. I really love the Snape stuff. There's one that says always. Yes, always. And here's one of him as well. I love that. Little crest for the houses. There's also little animals for the houses with little hats. These plates are so jam-packed. You even get like Ron, Harry, and Hermione. I think that's supposed to be Neville. And there's like some cartoonish images too. There's the Triwizard Cup. Little footprints from the Marauders map. Anyways, the potential for this plate is above and beyond. Absolutely love it. The last stamping plate that I got, same concept with the backing. And this one is different from those. but I had Silent Hill in mind for this plate. Look at some of the images. Like, I love these little images, like to have like the lady's eyes covered. And there's a lot of like art and stuff in Silent Hill that is, I would describe it as obscure lady art. So, you know. I recently got a moth plate from Maniology, so I think that this, and paired with the moth plate and some other ideas I have in mind, will create a really beautiful Silent Hill inspired manicure. Like I said, she's got her eyes covered there. Has a bunch of really awesome sayings on it. Every scar on my soul is a mark leading to the person I have become. I love that. There's also butterflies and moons and things like that, but lots of ladies. There's some more words and roses with cross, and no, there's it's a sword. I thought that was a cross. Here's the cross. There is a cross on here. There's a couple crosses. Some of these images would be really nice for Halloween, like this tree that's like obviously dripping something. And it says Till Death, which is a really good one for Silent Hill too. If you know, you know. Oh, this is plate number 439, Gothic Grace. But there's so many really cool images on this plate. Like I said, it's a bit different, very different from anything I own. The Harry Potter plate is 161, and the Mario plate was 165. These are the plus plates, the Harry Potter and the Mario one. I haven't stamped with them yet, but I'm really hoping they'll work wonderful. So far, I think they are beautiful. The back of them look like this. Also, super cute. Super cute. They didn't come bent or anything like that. They're really strong and sturdy, so that's always a plus. And that is all I have to share with you today in the Shein haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you'll go and try some of these products out for yourselves. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a Shein playlist.